They say if you know about the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock, they say time is the master of everything. Time waits on no man. Time is a hell of a thing, you know. And time fly. And by the way, you talk about time. Them say, although when you come to dimension, you have one dimension that a length. When you take tape measure and measure from here, so about this up. And see how much feet or inch or meter. Then you have two dimension when you measure area, length and width. Then you have three dimension when you measure volume, length, width and height. But then say you have a fourth dimension and then call it time. Well, kind of sitting there and talk about when you deal with astronomy and them things there. But anyway, a clock we talk about here now. 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. We normally use the 12-hour clock. But then say in a certain area, the army and the sea navigation, maritime, cadet, them use what I name that 24-hour clock. So instead of say 1 p.m., it's 1300 hours. So you go from middle night, 1 o'clock in the morning, at 1 o'clock on the 2 o'clock them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go to 11 o'clock in the morning. And then once you reach 12 o'clock and pass it, a two different story. But anyway, we see right there. So we stay. Suppose our 1 o'clock somewhere about the place. Yeah. Alright, see there. Alright, this is my clock. Right? Let me get that. Something here for you. Back there, so now. Alright, good. So, see my clock here. Analog clock. We know say with your electronic device, with your thing there, your phone, tablet, whatever, you can put it on 24-hour clock if you want. Let me copy this and put one of them out here so. Alright, so I have 2 clocks here so now. Let me move down. Let me pretend like one of them a 24-hour clock and the other one a 12-hour clock. So, this is a clock here now. This midnight, 1 o'clock. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the 12-hour clock. Right? AM and PM. AM mean in the morning, PM mean in the afternoon, evening and night. But the 24-hour clock now. CLOCK. So we may write for there so. Alright, anyway. Pretend like I said it's at 1 24-hour clock. So you have midnight. Alright, let me start from 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, this is 3 o'clock, 4, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, it looks like 9, 10, 11, 12. This is midday, you know. This is middle day. The middle of the day this. Right? This is morning. And if we can write sideways, MORNING. Alright, so we can write sideways though. So then, this now You know, go back to one like the 12 o'clock, you know, you say 13, 14, 15. Although they normally refer it as 100 hours, like 1300 hours, 14. Mosquito that, you know. Mosquito them plentiful. But anyway, but me can't bother to write the 100 here, so it's going to take up too much space. This are 1600 hours. This are 1700 hours, 1800 hours, 1900 hours, 2000 hours, and you have 21, 22, 23, 24. Alright. So you see, with the 24-hour clock, so 1 o'clock in the morning, early brown morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. So when they have party and dance and some people they say come in. 3 o'clock, 4, 5. This now at 6 o'clock. Right? 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. If you're in a summer, a broad daylight. If you're in a September, October, November, it's still dark. Yeah, 7 o'clock in the morning, 8, 9, 10, 11, midday this, middle day. It's for what we call 1 o'clock. It's the afternoon, you know. On the right side way again. AFTERNOON. Sun hot like fire, the sun, you know. Unless you have cloud and rain. The sun well hot, them a time here. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 3, like 2:33, alright. The 1600 hour, that's at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 1800 hours, 6 o'clock, yes, so. Right? 7 o'clock, in the summer, in the May, June, July. Still broad daylight. Well, it kind of get dark. Night come down late in the year. By 6 o'clock. Before 6 o'clock it's dark. But in the middle of the year, June and so on, broad daylight. Right? But anyway, December, January, night come down early. But 19 o'clock, you know. That's 7 o'clock, 1900 hours, that's 7 o'clock, that in the night. 2000 hours, at 8 o'clock in the night time. 2100 hours, it's at 9 o'clock, on the 24-hour clock in the night. 2200 hours, 10 o'clock at night, equivalent. 2300 hours at 11 o'clock at night, equivalent. When you say midnight, middle night, on the thing, the 12-hour clock, at 2400 hours, on the 24-hour clock, that you know. Right? So, on the 12-hour clock, you say AM for morning and PM for evening. But for the 24-hour clock, just go right around 24 hours. You see? So, like you say, 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Everything I show the same. On the 2 o'clock them, up to midnight, 12 o'clock midnight, but 1 o'clock in the morning, it's really 13. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1300 hours. You say 1 a.m. but at 1300 hours on the 24-hour clock. 2 a.m. that's at 1400 hours on the 24-hour clock answer. Alright. So you see the thing what go on here so now. You compare the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock. So when you get a question what say um, 1500 hours. Right? One thing you can do is say 15. 12 o'clock, midnight, and then 1 o'clock. You see the 1300 hour? Or 1 o'clock in the afternoon that. So you start count from this up. And you say for 1500 hour, and you say 13, 14, 15. You say 1, 2, 3. That's at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You see? So that way you have to remember. Alright, so that are the 12 hour clock and the 24 hour clock.